What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another review for you guys. New Balance, for the last few years, they have proved they are the king of collaborations. And in this video, I'm gonna review one of the first ever collaborations with its latest model, the 5740. I will be reviewing the New Balance 5740 collab with bricks and wood. So what's good, guys? Welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. If there's one thing I love doing on this channel, it is reviewing New Balance sneakers, and that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I will be breaking down the shoe. I'll talk about this model a little bit, the 5740. We'll also talk about the brand behind this collab, bricks and wood. We'll get into the colorway, the quality of this sneaker. For those of you who have never worn a pair of these, we'll even get into some sizing tips. And as always, of course, I will be giving you that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So here it is, guys, the New Balance 5740 bricks and wood. This is the very first time I've actually reviewed the sneaker on the channel. I've been meaning to do a review on these for quite a while. That recently released gray pair, those things are fire, and shout out to anyone that was able to cop a pair of those. If you didn't already know, the 5740 is the modern take on probably the most classic New Balance model of all time, the 574s. It's of course drastically different than the 574s. It's a much chunkier model, and also when talking about price, these are significantly more expensive than the 574s. And this pair right here is one of the first ever collabs on this model. It might even be the first. New Balance chose to collab with LA-based Bricks and Wood. They are a Black-owned business based out of South Central Los Angeles. And I gotta say, guys, they absolutely killed it with the colorway. This is about as nice of a colorway I've seen on a New Balance model this year. You have this beautiful green upper, mainly like a forest green. Complementing that, you have the N logo, which is done in white. The midsole is a combination of yellow as well as cream, and then finally the outsole, we get this red outsole. I probably would have put a gum outsole there. I think that would have complemented the shoe better, but overall, man, this colorway is just absolutely beautiful. It's actually a very similar colorway to that recently released Emilion Dior 1300s. Let me know down in the comments which one you guys think is a better shoe, the 1300s or the bricks and wood 5740s, which one you think is a better collab, a better colorway. Getting into the material, so even though the upper, it looks like it's all one color, if you look a little closely, they have chosen to work with several different materials when you look at the green sections of the shoe. So at the back of the shoe, you have this nice green hairy suede. If you move to the front of the shoe, you have this really nice, soft, much more smoother looking suede. And this material here is very, very premium feeling. On the toe box, you have some more suede. This time you got some perforated suede. So there's actually 3 different types of suede on this upper. You also have some bits of green leather, and also the back of the shoe, it's done in this silver or 3M leather. Overall, really, when it comes to quality, I feel like New Balance sneakers are just in a whole different league when you compare it to some other big brands like Nike or Adidas. And alongside the sneaker, you also get this really, really nice box, which has this paisley print all over it. Moving on to sizing, for those of you who have never worn a pair of 5740s before, for me, these definitely fit big. They fit bigger to me than pretty much any other New Balance pair. I went a half size down in these, and they are still pretty roomy. This is quite a big shoe. It's quite a chunky looking shoe, so you don't want to go with your true size. It might look a little bit weird on feet. So I definitely suggest going a half size down from your true size. All right, let's wrap this thing up. What are my thoughts? Are these sneakers a cop or a drop? Overall, the 5740, not my favorite New Balance model. I actually prefer the original 574s much more to the 5740s. I feel like these look too much like other sneakers on the market. For example, it really reminds me of that Puma Thunder pair. Also has a bit of Balenciaga Triple S going on. I don't know what it is. I don't know how to explain it. I feel like it's just kind of missing that New Balance type of vibe. However, with that being said, what Bricks and Wood have been able to do with this sneaker definitely needs to be applauded, because this colorway just bangs. This colorway looks so good on this shoe. As part of this collab, there was also some clothing that released with it, and these just look so good with those yellow sweatpants. Between these and the Emilion Dior 1300s, personally, I actually prefer the Bricks and Wood. I just like this colorway more. And if you took an L on these, the resale prices are not that high, especially for a very limited New Balance collab. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and give these a cop. If you haven't already done so, make sure you follow your boy on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. Definitely the easiest place to contact me, and I drop quite a bit of content on there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this channel and for supporting my content. Give your boy a subscribe if you enjoyed the content for sure. It really helps me out. And until next time, guys, peace.